Welcome to Luveve Road in Bulawayo, a testament to the transformation taking place in our city. As you drive along this newly renovated road, you can't help but feel a sense of pride and appreciation for the efforts being made to improve our infrastructure. Yes, we may have our grievances with the current administration, but it's important to acknowledge the progress being made in areas like road development. I've even overheard people praising the president's efforts in this regard, saying Mnangagwa is really trying. Let's give credit where it's due and recognize the hard work being put in to revamp our roads and make our city a better place. Luveve Road is just one example of the positive changes happening around us.